WizzAir, the fastest growing ultra-low-cost European airline, operates a fleet of 160 aircraft. A team of dedicated aviation professionals delivers a great service and very low fares, making WizzAir the preferred choice of over 27 million passengers in the last year. At WizzAir, we want your flying experience to be as smooth and straightforward as possible. We know that traveling requires a lot of attention, making sure you get to the airport on time, going through security, finding the right gate. With this in mind, we set out to make your pre-flight process a lot easier, from booking your ticket to checking in and boarding. We have upgraded self-checking via your mobile device, making sure it's faster and more secure than ever. To this end, we teamed up with Regula, one of the world's leading developers of forensic and identity verification solutions. Their impressive document reader SDK has been embedded into our application. Now, passengers just need to open the WizzAir app, scan their passports or IDs with the device's camera, and that's it. Personal data recognition and verification is done automatically by Regula technologies within an instance. Also, Regula maintains the world's largest travel document template database, so you can be sure that your travel document will be recognized in whatever country you come from. Partnering up with Regula and the new ways of working has helped us speed up boarding and check-in more than 2 million times since the beginning of the project. Indeed, Regula is a cornerstone of our transformation. We are delighted to have them on board.